Hey sheepies, welcome back to another makeup tutorial. Today it is based on Must Ashley's Ivy drawing on her Instagram. Beautiful artist, go check her out. First I'm mixing two foundations I own to get the perfect shade for my face. Here I'm using a stippled foundation brush to buff in my foundation into my skin, and I apply this all over my face and partly down my neck. Next I'm using a powder with a light tinting and a big fluffy brush to set my entire face. Here I'm using some white translucent powder on a beauty blender to bake my under eyes. This is just to set my makeup even further. Next I'm going in and contouring using an angled brush. I'm contouring my cheekbones, my forehead, underneath my jaw and my nose. Now I've wiped off my baking powder and I'm going in with a highlighter and highlighting all the high points of my face, such as my cheekbones, my nose, my eyebrow bone and my chin. Next I'm going in with some blush and I'm applying this pretty heavily on the apples of my cheeks and not really going any further up. I'm keeping it mainly in a circle. I'm using the lighter shade of that ColourPop quad and I am placing this all over my eyelid and up to my brow bone and on my inner corner to set a base for all our eyeshadow. Here I'm using a fluffy blending brush and the Colour Freak from the Urban Decay electric palette, and I'm blending this all into my crease and slightly on my lid. And we're building this colour up and blending it out into the crease as we go. We also sweep this underneath the eye and I bring it all the way across to my inner corner because we're going to be layering some colours in the outer V. Next we're using the dark brown mahogany sort of shade on another fluffy brush and we're blending this into the outer V and sweeping it underneath our eye also and bringing it slightly onto the lid. Here I grab a big fluffy brush to start blending the colour out so it gives it a nice fade between the green and the brown. Next I'm grabbing a big fluffy brush with the brown mahogany shade very tapped out and I'm going around the edges of the green to give it a blend. Next I'm going in with the colour Thrash from the Urban Decay electric palette on a flat packing brush and I'm putting that in the centre of my lid to give it almost a highlight while keeping it in the green family. Now I've repeated this on the other eye and now we're moving on to eyebrows. With my eyebrows I always brush them up, and let's not acknowledge how messy they are at the moment. but I always brush them up and then straighten them out if I need to. Here I'm just using red body paint to fill in my eyebrows. They are a bit janky. I don't know what was going on with my eyebrow application today, but they're a bit off, but that's okay. As long as they're red and they look like eyebrows. Also, I recorded my eyeliner, but because of the angle I was at, you couldn't see anything I was doing. But here I'm just applying some white eyeliner dots across my black liner and into my inner corner. Next, I'm applying some mascara, top and bottom lashes, and giving them quite a nice coating. Here I'm starting on my lips, and because I don't own a green lipstick, very sad I know, I just use my green tag body paint and I filled in my lips with that, and because it's a water activated body paint, they are non-toxic, so they will not kill you if you put them on your lips. And I wanted to give them a gradient effect, so I used my light lime green by Global Colors, also in water activated body paint, and I placed that in the center of my lips and patted them together repeatedly until I got an ombre that I liked the look of. So here's my completed Ivy look, based on Must Ashley on Instagram, her piece of art of Ivy. I know I'm supposed to be green, but I don't have a nice enough green body paint to do that. So I thought I'd just do this, and when I edit photos, I will add my green skin into it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think of the new close-up on the eyes and lips and stuff. I've been wanting to do it for a while, but I had no idea how to do it. So thank you all very much for watching. If you did enjoy, please leave a like and subscribe. I'm always happy to have new little friends on my YouTube supporting me and giving me ideas of what to body paint and what makeup to do. So thank you all very, very, very much for watching. I love you all very much, and I will see you in my next video.